Cash App has revolutionized the way we send money internationally, and sending to Europe has never been easier. With Cash App International Online, you can transfer funds across borders with just a few clicks. Unlike traditional banking channels, Cash App eliminates long wait times and high fees, offering a seamless experience for users looking to send euros or other European currencies. To start, simply link your bank account or debit card to Cash App. Enter the recipient's details, the amount, and select Europe as the destination. Cash App converts your currency automatically at competitive rates, ensuring your recipient gets the most value. The platform supports multiple European countries including the UK, Germany, France, and Spain, making it ideal for personal or business transfers. So, here are 5 tricks to really maximize your Cash App Europe transfers. First, try to schedule your transfers during weekdays, since that's when currency conversion rates are usually most favorable. Second, if you have a large payment to send, consider splitting it into several smaller transactions. This can actually help reduce processing fees. Third, you can use Cash App's instant transfer option if you want to avoid any delays, especially for urgent transfers. Fourth, it's a good idea to link multiple accounts, because that way you can access higher transfer limits without any hassle. And fifth, don't forget to check out Cash App promotions or any discount codes. They're often shared through partner sites and can help you save on fees. Always make sure the recipient's Cash App account is verified just to avoid any errors. And, remember to monitor your transfer status in real time right in the app. Additionally, you can check out Cash App support pages for detailed guides and FAQs, which really help you navigate international transactions smoothly. For European users, receiving funds is honestly as simple as a few taps. Cash App sends you notifications for successful transfers and updates you if any action is needed. Security is super important. Cash App uses end-to-end encryption and two-factor authentication to keep your funds safe. Using Cash App for Europe transfers saves you time, cuts down on fees, and gives you a level of transparency that's pretty hard to find with traditional channels. Just combine the tricks we talked about with Cash App's reliable platform, and every transfer becomes smooth and efficient.